What's up, everyone? I'm Kevin Meadows, and this is Invest With Me. I hope you all are doing pretty well. I know I've been gone for a little bit. With all the things that I do currently, I am also a campaign manager. I'm a campaign manager for our current 2021 Myrtle Beach candidate, Tammy B. Durant. Now, when it comes to the current market, it has been a little bit rough within this week and last week. But for today, we do have a few picks to look at. Our first stock comes from Benzinga, and we have NNTwk. One of the reasons why Benzinga sees this as a potential buy is because the CEO did acquire 5,000 more shares into the company. And so the CEO sees the growth in this particular company in the future. When looking at today's chart, we do see that it was green throughout. It is a crazy chart, but overall, it was in the green. Within the 1 month, we do see a consistent positive performance with a spike up at the end of September. Now the 6 months chart. Similar to the 1 month, we do see a consistent performance between $4 to $3 with that spike up in April of a price of $5.40. Year to date, we do see a consistent performance between $5 to $3. And throughout the year, we do see an increase of 13%. Now in tip ranks. And when looking at it, we do see that they do not have any information right now on this particular stock. Within FinViz, we do see an up and down performance throughout, but you do see a bounce off the support line in September and it breaking through the resistance line in October. Now in Benzinga, we do see that there is no analytical rankings within this particular stock. Right now, when it comes to this particular stock, I would give it a maybe buy, but let's take a look at the news from this stock and see what comes out. And let's look into their finances and see what we can find to basically reassure why we would want to buy this stock or basically look elsewhere. Our next stock comes from Tip Ranks, and we have OSCR. One of the reasons why this could be a potential buy is because the co-founder and CEO sees this stock price as undervalued. And so they acquired 57,300 shares of this particular stock. Looking at today's chart, we do see that it was red throughout, with it dropping in price of $1. Looking at the 1 month chart, we do see that it has its ups and downs between $16 and $18. Looking at the 6 months chart, we do see that it is on a downward trend, with its high of $29.25 and a low of $12.25. Year to date, we do see, once again, this is on a downward trend. And with this, we do see a 54% decrease throughout the year. Now looking in the tip ranks, we do see this as a strong buy, where we have a high of $30, an average of $24.25, and a low of $15. Now looking into FinViz, we do see that it is on a downward trend, but we do see that it did touch that support line in August, and it did break through that resistance line around September. Looking into Benzinga, right now we do not have any current updates from the analytical rankings, but in August there were 2 price changes, and from those firms we see that the price actually decreased from their initial value. When looking over all the information that we just gone through, right now, I do not see this as a potential buy. Right now, it's just dropped drastically, and to me, I would rather look elsewhere. Our last stock for today comes from Zacks, and we have KKR. The reason why Zach sees this as a potential buy is because the people who are analyzing this stock sees a earning growth of 95%, which will be an increase within their up and coming earnings. When looking at today's chart, we do see that it was green throughout, with a big increase of $2 throughout the day. When looking at the 1 month, we do see right now it is on a little bit of a downtrend, with its high of $66.63. Throughout the 6 months, we do see that this is on an upward trend. And in the chart, if you were wondering what that D is standing for within, this stock does pay dividends. When looking at the year-to-date chart, we basically see that it is on the ups, and it has increased over 50% throughout the year. Within tip ranks, we do see this as a strong buy, with a high of $90.50, an average of $76.44, a low of 66 cents. Within FinViz, we do see that it is on an upward trend. And now, looking at it, you do see that it is currently touching that support line with a potential bounce up for some gains. Now we're in Benzinga. And when looking at the analytical rankings, we do see a price target change for this current month. But it is from $82 to $83. But if we look back at August, we do see a price increase throughout the firms. When looking over everything that we just looked at, I do see this as a potential buy. Hopefully some of these picks will be beneficial for you. Now I will have the links in the description box where it has all the picks and all the information on why they are a potential buy. Lastly, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you're new and you like the content, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell button. And if you need anything from me, please let me know. I'm here to help. Y'all have a good one. Bye.